there, little artists! Today, we're about to embark on a sugary adventure as we draw the most delightful candy. Are you ready to add a sprinkle of sweetness to your day? Let's jump right in! Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. Grab your trusty black marker, and let's get started on our candy creation. Begin by drawing a charming candy shape on your paper. Think of all the delicious flavors. Now, let's add some flair. Draw a wrapper or cover around your candy, giving it that extra touch of sweetness. Imagine the crinkles as you wrap up your candy. Awesome! To make our candy pop, let's make those outlines bold and sharp. Then, let's add some cute decorations by adding dot patterns to the candy cover. Isn't it looking adorable? Now, let's bring our candy to life with some vibrant colors. Grab your color pens and let's get started. Pink color. Yellow color. Light purple color. Blue color. Voila! Wow! You've created the sweetest candy artwork. If you had a blast today, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Toddler's Art Hub for more sugary adventures, and share your delightful artwork in the comments below. Until next time, keep on creating, little artists. Bye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.